In this video, we'll learn how to find the area of a parallelogram using the formula, which is A equal base multiplied by height. So here this B, which is the base, and here H is the height. We will go through 5 examples. The first example here, we have the base here 11 meters and height 4 meters. We want to find the area of this parallelogram. As you can see here, this side parallel to this side parallel to this side. So this is a parallelogram. The second example here, we have a parallelogram with the base 5 meters and height 5 meters. We want to find the area. The third example here, we have a parallelogram with the base 6 meters and height 3 meters. We want to find the area. The fourth example here, we have a parallelogram with the base 3 meters and the height 2.5 meters. We want to find the area. The last example, the fifth example here, we have a parallelogram that given the area, which is 21 square meters, and here we have the base, which is 7 meters. We want to find the height. So given the area and the base, we want to find the height. This example will help you understand how to use the area formula in a simple and clear way. The first example here, we have a parallelogram with the base 11 meters and height 4 meters. We want to find the area. As we know, the parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel. This parallel to this parallel to this one equal to this one equal to this. So this is a parallelogram. But it's enough to say a parallelogram opposite sides are parallel. Now let's find the area. The area equal the base multiply by height equal the base, which is 11 meters, and the height here you can see is 4 meters. Why this is the height? This is the height because it's perpendicular distant from the base to the opposite side. So that's why here this is the height. You can think about it like this is the base because you are sitting here and looking up. So this is the height. If you see this 90 degrees angle, you have to know this is the base and here this is the height. So here 11 multiplied by 4, which is 44 square meters. So the area of this parallelogram, which is 44 square meters. Now let's take another example. The second example here, we have a parallelogram because here this is a parallelogram because opposite side are parallel. This parallel to this side parallel to this side. So this is a parallelogram. To find the area, we know the formula, which is base multiplied by height. As you can see here, you have to think like you are sitting here and looking up to this side. So here, this is the height, this is the base. So here, this base, which is 5, and the height, which is 5, equal 5 multiplied by 5, which is 25 square meters. So the area of this parallelogram, which is 25 square meters. Now let's take another example. The third example here, we have the base, which is 6 meters, and the height 3 meters. We want to find the area. The area, base multiplied by height. The base, which is 6, the height, which is 3, equal 6 multiplied by 3, which is 18 square meters. So the area of this parallelogram, which is 18 square meters. Now let's take another example. The fourth example here, we have the base here 3 meters, and of course this one is the height. It's like you are sitting here and looking up, which is here. This is the height. So the area equal base multiplied by height. Base, which is 3, multiplied by height, which is 2.5. 3 multiplied by 2.5, it's like 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, which is 7.5, because 2.5 plus 2.5, which is 5, plus 2.5, which is 7.5 square meters. So 7.5 square meters. So the area of this parallelogram, which is 7.5 square meters. Now let's take the last example. The fifth example here, we have this a parallelogram. Here we have given here the area, which is 21 square meters, and here we have the base, which is 7 meters. We want to find the height. As we know, the area A equal base multiplied by height. I don't want to write here, cross here, the multiplication here, because it's easy to find this h. Now let's substitute A with 21, because we know the area is 21, so 21. B, which is 7, and we don't know about h. Now divide both sides by 7 to get rid of the 7. So here this cancel with this, so h here, and here 21 divided by 7, which is 3. Now let's rewrite this one, so h equal 3, and of course meters. So we found the height, which is 3 meters. So here 3 meters. That's it. In this video we learned how to find the area of a parallelogram using the formula, which is A equal B multiplied by h. Here B, which is the base, h is the height, this one is the area. So we found the area using this formula. We solve several examples by multiplying the base by the height, and also we found the height using the given area and base. I hope this video helped you understand the area of a parallelogram in a simple and clear way. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more math videos. Feel free to comment below with your questions or suggestions about this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.